Assalamu alaikum dear students. Which of the following is the most reactive halogen? Fluorine. Option number A is correct. Which of the following is not a transition metal? Zinc. Option number B is correct. Another question is, which of the following compound is used in the manufacture of glass? Na2CO3. Option number C is correct. Which of the following has a tetrahedral molecular geometry? CH4. Option number B is correct. Which of the following is a characteristic of transition metal? Option number C is correct. Another question is, what is the color of the flame when potassium is burned? Purple. Lilac या purple. Option number D is correct. Which of the following compound is known as quicklime? CaO. Option number A is correct. Which of the following element forms a diatomic molecule in its natural state? Nitrogen. Option number B is correct. What is the hybridization of the central atom in methane CH4? Option number C is correct. Which of the following element has the highest first ionization energy? Phosphorus. Phosphorus has the highest first ionization energy. Option number D is correct. Which of the following acid is the strongest? HCl is the strongest acid. Option number B is correct. Which of the following element is the most abundant in the Earth's crust? Oxygen. Option number A is correct. Which of the following is a covalent compound? CO2. Option number C is correct. CO2 is a covalent compound. Which gas is produced when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid? Hydrogen. Option number C is correct. Which of the following compound is used as a drying agent? CaCl2. Option number C is correct. What is the common oxidation state of alkali metal? Plus A. Option number A is correct. Which element has the atomic number 26? Iron. Option number B is correct. Which of the following element is a halogen? Chlorine. Option number C is correct. Which of the following halogen has the highest electronegativity? Highest electronegativity is fluorine. Option number A is correct. Which of the following is not an allotrope of carbon? Quartz. Option number D is correct. Which of the following element is a transition metal? Iron. Iron is a transition metal. Option number C is correct. Which of the following compound contain an ionic bond? Answer number C is correct. NaCl. Which of the following is a noble gas? Neon. Option number D is correct. Neon is a noble gas. Which element is found in the center of a hemoglobin and hemoglobin? Iron. Option number B is correct.